I'll tell you right now, we're working very hard to expand this program. We want to get it out. We want to, let people start taking advantage of the program.
We love that.
Are
I'm
you excited?
sorry. This is exciting. Yes.
You guys are all getting 500 points just for attending today and having to listen to me and Bridget for a half hour. So it's a pretty easy way to earn 500 points. Just for being an approved customer, we're going to start you off with 1,000 points. What if I use those? Did I get my credit for my rush closing, all those kind of things? That's where your view history comes in. Basically, you will acquire points throughout the month. There'll be kind of an accounting process within the 5th of the following month. So for this month, August, between August 1st and 5th, depending on. So you will acquire these points individually. You can redeem these points individually. So that's the way this program works.
Hello, hello. Welcome in. We'll give everyone. My name is Bridget Castle. I am your host today. I'm a Senior Learning and Development Specialist with A&D Mortgage. Today, we are so excited to announce the A&D Vantage Loyalty Program. We are going to be working with and hearing from one of my favorite executives in the industry, Mike Pearson. He's here with us. We're very excited to host this with you guys today. So in today's session, we are going to go over some introductions. After that, we're going to talk about the brand new AT Vantage loyalty program and a quick overview of it. We'll discuss how to earn points with our new program, how to redeem them, and how to start using AD Vantage. After that, we're going to talk about some A&D Mortgage useful tools. And then, of course, we'll do a nice Q&A session at the end here. As a friendly reminder, we do have some webinar etiquette, so feel free to use the questions Q&A box. We love it when you guys submit us questions. It's very, very important to us. So please, please, please use the Q&A box and we will answer them at the end of the formal part of the presentation. Aside from that, if you could just kind of mute your phones, stay with us and focused. And as far as your videos, you guys can see those are turned off, as well as the phone for participants. So please, if you have any questions, use the Q&A box, and then I'll use the chat box for some fun and engagement. The last thing I need to cover here is that you will indeed receive a recording of the presentation within 24 hours. So look forward to that in case you have to jump out or need to get back in. Okay, as a quick reminder of who we are, A&D is officially verified as the #1 non-QM lender. We're very excited about this. We've been throwing tons of celebrations and happiness for our hard work that's got us to this point. So thank you guys all for being a part of that. We're really, really appreciative. Aside from that, as a friendly reminder, we do have more than 6,000 partnering brokerage companies, which is huge. That's a huge market share. We're really, really proud of that and very grateful for all of you for that as well. We've been in the industry now for almost 20 years, and we have even won a 2024 Stevie Awards Gold, which is very good because we are investing a ton into tech, and it's showing. We are now the award winner for innovating mortgage technologies. Aside from that, we also have 46 states we're operating in nationwide. And I think one of the best things about us is that we are responding to requests and questions within 30 minutes. And I don't know many other people doing that. So very exciting. In those almost 20 years of experience, our family of companies has common ownership, making it a lot easier to find the right solutions for any of your mortgage transactions. So A&D has expanded nationwide pretty rapidly with our wholesale operations growing exponentially and the introduction of a lot of our niche programs. So this rapid success has helped us establish key industry relationships, leading us to acquiring a variety of loans through our Imperial Fund. And you can see on the right side of the screen here, we're specializing in investing and servicing of conventional government and non-QM loans. We love that we service. And then because we have the Imperial Fund, we get a lot of perks with that as well. This is our footprint. We love our map here. We have, you can see almost every single state that we're licensed in and a couple that we're doing business purpose loans only in. But we are, again, a full service mortgage direct lender and servicer of conventional and non-QM loans since 2025. I'm very excited. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me through the introduction. Could you please use your chat box to give a warm welcome to Mr. Mike Pearson? Again, one of my favorite executives in the industry, guys. He's going to go through everything A&D Vantage for us today. Give him, if you can, an emoji, a GIF, a GIF in the chat. Welcome, Mike Pearson.
No, don't encourage them. Don't encourage them. Excited. I'm first excited to get off mute. It's hard for me to be quiet that long. So thank you for the warm intro. Thank you all for joining. Very excited. This is a project that has been in the works for quite some time. I remember having conversations about this program and the ideas on this program more than 2 years ago. So it's exciting to finally be rolling out this program. A lot of hard people on marketing and strategy and reporting and business analytics. A lot of people have worked hard to get this program rolled out. So excited to be the point person and get all the glory for rolling it out, even though I did very little to get it out. So, but I'll take advantage of the opportunity to speak. So let's start. What is the Advantage program? Our Advantage program is our partner loyalty program, and it's designed to reward our partners for their commitment to us and commitment to excellence in lending. Very basically, it works. You earn loyalty points for the business that you do with us, and you can reward or you can redeem those for rewards and gifts. And we will go over some details on what that looks like here in just a minute. Who can participate? That's all of our valued partners out there. So probably pretty much everyone on this call. If you're not already an approved customer with us, we'll give you a link to do so after this call, and you can take advantage of the program. So let's get into it. Let's get into some more details here. What is the Advantage Loyalty Program? First of all, this is a screen you'll be seeing a lot. This is kind of the landing page where you first start going into the screen. But if we can advance to the next slide. There is essentially 3 categories of ways that you can earn points in this program. And I'll tell you right now, we're working very hard to expand this program. We want to get it out. We want to let people start taking advantage of the program, but we will be expanding on this as time goes. Essentially, there's 3 categories of ways that you can earn points: by closing loans faster and more efficiently, by training your mind and doing some onboarding webinars and educational webinars with us, and then by simply following our materials through LinkedIn and through email marketing. Okay, so here's a little bit of what it looks like. I'm going to try to get this annotation thing to work here. Yeah, well, I'm not able to, but that's okay. All right, so this is essentially what your landing page will look like, and we're going to come back to this slide a few times, or this view a few times, so you can go through a couple different things here. We're using kind of an account here where you can see. So when you get into your landing page, you'll see 3 basic categories of ways to get in. You will be able to earn, oh, there we go. I got my annotation working. You'll be able to go to a slide about earning points, redeeming points, and then you'll also go through, be able to go through your history and see everything that you've requested in the past. So for this example, I want to go in and get some more information on how closing loans will score me points. So what I do is I click on the close loans. It's going to take you to this nice screen. Again, we'll see the other screens for the other categories. It's going to give you a nice review of what it looks like, how it works, how you qualify for points, and then what the points are below. So for example, just for closing a loan, 1,500 points, pretty simple, just for closing a loan with us. Additionally, you can get a bonus for how few times our underwriters touch your loans and review your conditions. So for 3 to 4 touches, you'll get another 1,000 points. So 2,500 points just for closing a loan and doing so efficiently. If you get 2 touches or less, it's a $1,500. So that would our $1,500, 1,500 points. So that would be 3,000 points already. On top of that, for the speed of the closing, there's an additional bonus of 1,000 or 1,500 points based on how quickly that closes. So if you are a rock star and you fund a loan with us with 2 touches or less, 15 days or less closing, those are business days, not calendar days. So we're talking 3 weeks. So if you close a loan within 3 weeks, 2 touches in underwriting, that's 4,500 points on one loan. Pretty easy to obtain. Okay, let's advance.
We love that. I'm sorry. This is exciting. Yes.
No, feel free to chime in. I'm muted for your section, but that's okay. Yeah, just go ahead and jump on that. No, thanks. Yeah, no, it's exciting. It's a nice plan. We're going to go to the next section here, which is the onboarding webinars. I'll show you how simple this one is. You'll love this one, Bridget. So if you go into the onboarding webinars, there's two sections here. One is onboarding webinar. That's one of our favorite and best webinars that we offer. This is primarily for new clients or clients that haven't, kind of dealt with us as we upgrade some technology and other things. We have our training and development team, as well as our broker support team will walk you through everything you need to know about how to do business with A&D. But just for going through that webinar, registering and attending that webinar, as soon as that webinar is completed, you earn another 500 points. Very simple. On educational webinars like you are today, you guys are all getting 500 points just for attending today and having to listen to me and Bridget for a half hour. So it's a pretty easy way to earn 500 points. So you'll get those. If we can just go back one slide, I just want to touch on one thing that's important. Onboarding, you get credit for that one time. So you do not get to go in the onboarding calls every single month and get 500 points. However, on the educational webinars, we usually host 1 to 2 webinars, educational webinar opportunities every single month. And you will get 500 points for each of those that you attend. So lots of opportunities in the educational webinars to pick up points. Okay, we can advance now. The last section, it's all the way down to the bottom of the slide, is the follow and earn section. So if you click on that one, it will take you into 2 categories. You can follow us on LinkedIn, and that is as simple as going on to LinkedIn, searching A&D Mortgage, follow us, and then press or paste your LinkedIn link for your profile down in the follow us section, as you see down at the bottom here, and submit. Another 500 points just for that. The last thing, and this is the most simple one, if you're a approved customer, we probably have confirmed your email already, but go in there, put your email address in there, click confirm. That will give you access to all our rate sheets, any of our product updates, all those things, invites to webinars to earn more points, all those things, very simple. Put your email, hit confirm, another 500 points coming your way. So lots of great ways. I'll pause real quick because I missed something. Just for being an approved customer, we're going to start you off with 1,000 points. So you start off with 1,000, you close a couple loans with us, you're already earning things that you can redeem. Very easy. And I'm getting off script here, but one of my favorite things about this program is you don't need a master's degree to understand it. It's very clean and simple. There's not a lot of verbiage and you got to do this, but you got to do this, and your file's got to have the right font and all these things in order to qualify. It's simple. It's closing loans, closing efficiently, training your brain, learning about new products and stuff with A&D Mortgage, and you earn points. It's very simple to cash in your points. All right, so let's get into how to redeem your points. So everyone wants to know. Again, 3. We like to keep everything at 3. It makes it very simple. There's 3 categories. You can save money for your client. You can control your closing and move it along a little bit faster. Or if you're like me and you like free gifts, you can get yourself some fun stuff, exclusive gifts from A&D Mortgage. So just breaking down the categories for the save money for your clients, we do offer $500 appraisal credit. So that will lower the cost for your broker, for your borrower. We offer free 3-day extensions. You can see the point values there. And then you can also waive underwriting fees for both non-QM and conforming loans. And you can see the point values for those as well. Middle categories, rush closing. 10,000 points and no questions asked. Your closing will get pushed to the top and they'll start working on your package. Fantastic tool there. And then the exclusive gifts, we'll see some more screenshots of what our existing t-shirt catalog looks like. I'm very excited about those in a second, but for 500 points, you get $1,000 for setting up. I think I'm gonna go set up an LLC, get approved with us, and score myself 2 t-shirts. I think that's a good plan. So we do have the t-shirts, we have the wellness kit, and the non-QM expert badge that I'll cover in just a second. Okay, we can advance. So again, we did the earn before. Now we're going to go to the redeem section. Very similar look as before. I want to take a look at any of these categories. So I'm going to click on one of these tabs and we'll scroll to the next one, next page. And then you'll get a nice little landing page with the different gifts and underwriting fees and all the different things that you can do. All you need to do is click to add it to your cart. And that's really it. So here are the 3 designs that we have currently. Mortgage Superhero is my favorite, but that's me. You also have your Mortgage Expert, you have your Power of Yes t-shirt, And like everything else in this program, this is the initial offering, and we will expand as the program progresses. We can go ahead and advance. So here you are for your t-shirt. You're going to go into your section. You'll click the redeem button, and that's all it takes. I will mention one more thing on the expert badge. As I mentioned already, you're getting 500 points from being on today's call. That alone does not make you a non-QM expert. So we don't want to give away those badges. We don't want to do a bunch of points for an email badge, but at the same time, we need to keep that a good program for people. So we do ask that you've closed at least 10 loans with us in the non-QM space in order to qualify for that badge in addition to the points. So I wanted to make sure I brought that up. Okay, so here we are. So we did our earn, we did our redeem. The last little section here is history. Because I know this will come up. We'll say, well, how do I know how many points I have? What if I use those? Did I get my credit for my rush closing? All those kind of things. That's where your view history comes in. It's going to give you a nice complete list, very clean and simple, of what points you have either earned or redeemed. You can view them all. If you want to go to a certain time frame, you want to go back to July or some other month, you can do that as well and just filter that way. So again, clean, easy, easy to use. Okay, I'm going to get off track one more time here, but while I'm on the topic and I see it on the screenshot here, we have this good get in touch. There's a few places on our website where this will be mentioned. We really do want your ideas. I know there are a lot of lenders out there that kind of think they have this thing figured out and they don't really want input and they think they got it dialed in where they need to be. We are not that lender. We are always looking for input. We're always looking for ideas to improve. If you can, even if it's not nice, they're generally nice, but even if they're not nice, please click on the get in touch. Give us some feedback where things could be improved, what you really like. We really do look at that feedback and appreciate it. So anytime you see that, get in touch. If you have a comment, something like that, please click on the button and please put your feedback in there. We do review those. Our owner looks at almost every single one of those requests, and a lot of the things, including this loyalty program, have come out of the comments from you guys. So we really appreciate you guys giving us some feedback.
We love that, Mike. Thank you for mentioning that. My favorite part of the company.
It is. I click on that a lot. There are always little things and things that we look at and we want to get feedback on. So yeah, I definitely encourage that. We are a company that likes to look at that feedback. So loyalty is just the latest in a slew of investments that A&D has made over the last couple years and trying to make this the best experience for you and your clients as it can be. Hopefully you all know about our appraisal center. It's a very easy to use place where you can order all your appraisals, 1004Ds, all the things that you need to order to make loans happen through our appraisal center. You can access that today on our main website. We're also working on moving that into our broker portal to streamline that process a little bit more to come on that. Our A&D Studio, we've won awards for A&D Studio. It's a great platform to create all kinds of custom flyers, social media content, lots of things that you need there. Again, A&D Studio is another one that's always expanding and adding to kind of the catalog there. So that's a great one to pick up. Again, you can get that on andmortgage.com. Our quick pricer, everyone loves our quick pricer. Well, hopefully everyone loves our quick pricer. Everyone I've talked to loves our quick pricer. Very easy to use. My favorite piece of it is that you can price all your programs. It's not just a non-QM qualifier. You can do it for conventional loans, FHA loans, prime jumbo loans, whatever you need. Very fast, very reliable. I know some people have kind of tried to steal the look and feel of our quick pricer, but it's still the most reliable and pricing that you can get in the market. So definitely check out our quick pricer. Our most recent rollout prior to our Advantage loyalty program was the big work that we are working on for our broker portal. Again, this is another one that came back from feedback from our customers. We've spent a lot of time over the last 6 months or so working on our broker portal. We released AIM, Artificial Intelligence and Mortgage platform, that is out and ready to use. Very excited about that. It's put a new look and feel, put some more intuitive interface in there. We have a free POS. Everyone doesn't always know that that is in existence. If you don't know about the POS system that's built into AIM, please reach out to your salesperson. There's not a need for you to upload 3.4s and all that kind of stuff into our system. Through the POS, you can send a link directly to your customer. They can fill out the application and start the loan process for you. It'll be sitting in your pipeline as a started loan. Then you just add your documents to get it submitted and you move on. So if you don't know about that, please reach out to your salesperson. They can get you dialed into that system. And last but not least is coming soon is our Leader Broker CRM platform. That will be a game changer for us. I'm very excited about that. That will be a free to use, fully integrated CRM process, not just a scaled down CRM just to get loans in the pipeline. No, this is a full CRM that you can use for all your clients, all your referral partners, all that kind of stuff that you can access free of charge. Data is yours, all that kind of stuff. You'll have the ability to access the loyalty program through there. You'll have the access to move loans out of the CRM, to upload them into the system. Just streamlines the whole operation, the whole process. That one is a little bit away, but it's coming out very soon. So excited to kind of get over all of these major enhancements that we're doing. It's been, I would not want to be a programmer at A&D Mortgage right now. They are very, very busy making us look very good. So between, programming and marketing, we have such a great team that puts this stuff together for us. So very excited for all the stuff that has been rolling out. I think I am supposed to pass it to you now, Bridget, to get us summarized and into questions and answers.
Yes, indeed. It's a good time for us to be at A&D Mortgage. Pretty excited about all these improvements and things going on. Very, very good.
It's been very
So,
exciting.
yeah, just to conclude, as you guys know, we are dedicated to our partners' growth and excited to reward that dedication with our new Advantage Loyalty program. I think I absolutely love VIP treatment, and I think it's really cool that we're extending the VIP treatment to the people that deserve it most, right? That are sending us a lot of business and making sure that they get rewarded and get things that normally cost money, right? So it's really cool to be able to give that to the people that deserve it. So as a friendly reminder, for complete program details, you guys can click this link here, brokercrm.admortgage.com/loyalty. And as you know, we are always improving. So keep checking back in, seeing the ways that we're adding in new things, additional ways to earn and redeem those points. And please just keep checking in, because this is going to grow and grow and grow. And I think something that we're going to end up being best known for long term. So pretty exciting. Thank you for that. And I think now we can take it to Q&A.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Who's running the Q&A, you or me?
I'll read you them.
Cool. Nice.
Yeah, we had an unofficial one that I'll start with first. It was in the
Mhm.
chat box instead of the Q&A box, so I'll just start there. It said, from Zora, she said, can we still charge the underwriting fee if we redeem the points?
That's a good question. I believe it comes over as a lender credit. I can confirm that. Maybe we can send that out to the attendees. I don't know the answer to that. I think its intention is to be used for underwriting fee, for us to be able to waive that without a cost. But that's a good question. Thank you.
Yep,
Was not
we'll
prepared for that one. Good job.
parking lot that one and come on back. And
Yeah,
then,
right off the bat, I'm already on the ropes.
yeah, I'm gonna move on next year. No, you're okay. I started with the difficult one first, challenge
Nice.
first, then easy,
That's good.
easy.
It's all going to be uphill from here.
Yeah, downhill. Okay,
Oh,
next. Next one is Christine asked, hey, Mike and Bridget, how does a broker request a rush closing?
sure. Are we able to go back a few slides where we were on the redeem points? I can kind of just show that briefly right here. So right on, see at the bottom of my screen here, rush on closing. If you'll click on that, and then maybe we can advance one or two slides here. Yeah, you don't see it here. Okay, but there'll be a box very similar to this once you click on that link, and you'll click on redeem, and then it's going to ask you questions, your loan number, all those kind of things. It will go into the system. The system will check your points and make sure that everything is valid. It will approve the request and move it to the appropriate people. You don't then have to email closing and that kind of stuff. It moves that request automatically over to the party that needs to receive that request.
Very good. Okay. And then, we knew this one was coming. You ready for this one? I closed
Maybe.
I I closed a loan in Hi, Julia, by the way. I closed a loan in June and attended the webinar. Will these points, the AI webinar, will these points be applied, or is it just for loans going forward?
Yes, it's just for loans going forward. We did have some customers that were on a pilot and helping us test this out. If you were on that pilot program, any points that you earned during that pilot for helping us test it out, you did acquire and you are able to use. Otherwise, this program started yesterday actively, so anything that would happen, any activity that started yesterday will count. I think we also had a question about the timing of this, so I did want to kind of break that out. So basically, you will acquire points throughout the month. There'll be kind of an accounting process within the 5th of the following month. So for this month, August, between August 1st and 5th, depending on when it falls on the weekend, within the first 5 days of the next month, all your points will be tallied, accounted for, and placed into your account for you to use live.
Very good. Okay, thank you so much for that, Mike. We just have a couple left here.
Mhm.
Looks like we have one that says, oh, one of our favorite places. Where can we find the A&D Studio on the portal, please? A&D Studio.
Sure. Yeah. So you can find that. You actually don't even have to log into the portal. You can go to admortgage.com. Up at the top of the home screen, you'll see services and tools. You'll scroll down. I'm looking at it right now live because I happen to have my site up. It's right at the bottom of that menu item. So from admortgage.com, services and tools, there's a little drop down there. Down at the bottom of that is AD Studio. You'll get into there and you can get going on that. There's all kinds of flyers. You can click social media promotions, all those kind of things, and you can click on those.
Yes, I'm so happy that came up. You know I love A&D Studio.
Yeah.
Maybe I just love the company. Okay, a couple really cool things that we have to offer, and if you don't know what A&D Studio is, definitely go take a look.
Mhm.
It's brought up for a reason. It's one of the best things about us. Okay, last question that we have in the chat here. It says, will this replace the preferred broker program currently in
Good
place?
Good
Yeah.
question. Yeah, so no. So the preferred broker program is for the company, right? These loyalty points are all done by user. So you will acquire these points individually. You can redeem these points individually. So that's the way this program works. So the preferred broker program remains in place for companies that deliver strong quality business to us. The loyalty program is an individual credit for individual users. So that's how those two work in conjunction.
Thank you so much for that, Mike. And I just want to bring attention to the chat. Eliona posted in there a really awesome video from our CEO, Max, about the loyalty program. And she also posted the link to our A&D studio. So please click both of those. And if you're watching this recorded later, same thing, click it. You'll love it.
Yeah, and
And
they added to the homepage now, and just admortgage.com. There's a scroll up at the top of the screen that gives some more product details and the videos and things. So there's lots of resources there on the website. So like everything else we say, just head to admortgage.com and you can get a ton of information. Since we do have so much information, if you need help navigating, your account executive will be happy to guide you around the website. If you
awesome.
don't have a account executive, come see me or become a partner on the website.
That's right. That's right. And then do we have, maybe we just do like a quick last call for questions? Any last questions before we close out here? Okay.
Well, I'm
Yeah.
glad. Yeah, I knew this was going to be a clean and simple presentation. That's what I like about the program. It doesn't take me 3 hours to describe what the program is. It's very clean, easy to access, very simple. So that's the beauty of the program is it doesn't take an hour-long webinar to describe. The biggest thing to know is that it's out. You're starting to accumulate points as we speak. 500 for today. So if you guys want to gift those 500 to me for that free T-shirt, I would gladly take your 500 points. Thank you. I want that superhero T-shirt. So feel free to just put my name on that request, and we'll be good to go.
I love that, Mike. I'll send you my points. Okay, and just some closing comments here. Just as a reminder, we are your partner for growth. And so there's a few things that really do set us apart. As you guys know, our streamlined loan process, provides brokers with industry-leading turn times, ensuring that you're always ahead of the competition. So if you're not yet signed up with us, get signed up with us. We have a really awesome can-do attitude and expertise. So our account executives bring a can-do attitude and are always looking for ways to make things work. And that attitude and expertise translates to every situation so that we're always able to get the best solution for our clients and borrowers. Aside from that, we also have a ton of loan solutions that are always growing. So our suite of loan solutions here grow to meet the changing needs of borrowers, ensuring you always have a product that fits their unique needs. I don't know if it's just me, but we always have new products, and I love that for us because it really does set us apart. And then last, but certainly not least here, just a reminder that we have the best flexible underwriting, and our team here provides solutions to out of the ordinary borrowers, helping them get the financing that they need when other people have said no. So come join us if you haven't already. If you're already with us, send us more. And we hope that the loyalty program helps with all of this and we can help grow your business. We do have 2 upcoming webinars we would love to see you on. The first one is How Her Moves. Top California realtors share secrets for mortgage brokers. That'll be Thursday, August 8th, so mark your calendars. That one's at 2 p.m. Eastern, and since we'll have a big California audience for that one, that's at 11 o'clock Pacific. We look forward to seeing you there. And then our next broker orientation will be August 13th. It's a Tuesday at 1 p.m., 10 o'clock Pacific. Love to see you there. And if you are not yet a partner and are ready to become one, or you have friends in the industry that need to become a partner, we would love to welcome them in. Get out your cell phones, scan
I'm
our
working on
QR.
my free t-shirt. Let me get that.
Yes, yes. Run those loyalty points up. Let's go. Become a partner with us. And thank you guys so much, Mike. I know I speak for both of us when we say we are really, really grateful everyone attended today. We look forward to everyone watching these on the recordings and the rollout of our brand new loyalty program.
Everyone have a great day. Thank you so much.
See
Bye.
you.